We'll be using Blender for 3D work and Krita for 2D design and texturing. Both of these programs are absolutely free, and we'll teach you how to install and use them both. You'll start off by learning how to create concept art and how to use references so you can create realistic 3D models. Then you'll learn Blender by building simple 3D props for a fantasy RPG game. After the basics, you'll move on to build more advanced objects like swords, crossbows, and wands. Next up, I'll teach you how to build low-poly environment assets for an RPG dungeon. Things like modular floor and wall pieces that can snap together and be reused. After that, you'll learn how to UV unwrap and hand paint textures for your models. You'll also learn how to bake lighting with ambient occlusion. Now that you're familiar with 3D design using Blender, I'll guide you through the steps of creating your very first character model. You'll learn the tips and tricks that the pros use in top-tier games. After your character is modeled, I'll teach you how to rig it with bones and how to bring him to life with keyframed animations. After that, we'll get super advanced and you'll learn how to create arms and weapons for a first-person view for a game like Skyrim. We'll finish off by learning how to make your very own VFX using simple textures and animating them entirely in Unity.